Can AI one day diagnose diseases better than doctors, write essays that win awards, and even decide who gets hired or fired? Yes, it can, but who decides what's fair? Who decides whether these powerful algorithms discriminate against women or people of color or spread fake news? Welcome to the AI maze. Today, we find ourselves at a crossroads where technology has outpaced our collective wisdom. Artificial intelligence is everywhere, from the mundane to the monumental. And while its benefits are undeniable, it also presents a labyrinth of ethical challenges that demand our urgent attention. In this episode, we'll navigate the AI maze, shedding light on the moral quandaries that arise when machines learn to mimic human intelligence. We'll explore real-world cases where AI has gone astray, exposing the biases, the discriminations, and the potential harms that lurk in its intricate algorithms. Imagine a world where AI-powered facial recognition technology wrongly identifies a person of color as a criminal due to inherent biases in its training data. It's not science fiction, it's happening. Or picture an AI hiring tool that inadvertently discriminates against female candidates based on gender stereotypes perpetuated in historical employment data. The chilling reality is that these scenarios are not just theoretical. They're chilling examples of how AI can perpetuate and even amplify societal biases, leading to real-world harm. But there's more. Consider the proliferation of chatbots that spew misinformation, deepening societal divides and eroding trust. These are not isolated incidents, they're symptoms of a larger problem. A problem that arises when we relinquish our ethical responsibilities to machines without proper guidance. At the heart of this ethical labyrinth lie 5 core principles: transparency, accountability, fairness, privacy, and human-centered design. Transparency means making AI systems understandable to humans. Accountability requires establishing clear lines of responsibility. Fairness demands that AI treats all individuals and groups equitably. Privacy involves protecting sensitive data and human autonomy. And human-centered design ensures that technology serves and empowers people, not the other way around. These principles may sound like abstract ideals, but they're the bedrock upon which we can build trust and confidence in AI. The good news is that we're already laying the groundwork. Governments and regulatory bodies worldwide are stepping up. The European Union AI Act and the United States AI Bill of Rights are significant steps towards creating legal and ethical frameworks. Tech giants like Google, with their AI principles, and organizations like UNESCO are also contributing their share. The question is, should we leave the deciphering of ethics to the machines, or should humans guide their evolution? The answer is clear. We must embrace a collaborative approach where humans and AI work in harmony. Just as we've integrated technology into every facet of our lives, it's time to integrate ethics into the very fabric of AI. But what does this look like in practice? Well, let's consider some scenarios. In healthcare, AI can analyze medical images, detect anomalies, and suggest diagnoses. But should an AI system decide whether to administer life-saving treatment? In the justice system, AI can process vast amounts of data to identify patterns and predict outcomes. But should it determine someone's guilt or innocence? These are not rhetorical questions, they're challenges that demand careful consideration. As we move forward, we need to ensure that AI serves humanity, not the other way around. While AI can excel at identifying patterns and making data-driven predictions, it cannot and should not replace the nuanced judgment of a human mind, especially when lives are at stake. But it's not just about life or death decisions. It's also about preserving human dignity. Think about the elderly or those with disabilities. How can we ensure that AI-driven systems do not inadvertently marginalize or exploit them? How can we guarantee that AI technology respects their rights and values? These are questions we must answer as we navigate the AI maze. Looking ahead, the ethical challenges will only become more intricate. Generative AI, autonomous weapons, neuro AI, and the prospect of superintelligence all lie on the horizon. Each presents its own unique moral quandary. As we stand on the brink of these uncharted territories, the need for robust ethical frameworks becomes even more pressing. However, striking the right balance between innovation and responsibility will not be easy. We must tread carefully, ensuring that regulations do not stifle progress but guide it in a direction that benefits all humankind. In conclusion, navigating the AI moral maze is not a choice we have, it's a responsibility we must shoulder. As AI continues to permeate every aspect of our lives, it's crucial that we do so with care, foresight, and empathy. And here's where you come in. Do you trust AI to make decisions for you? To comment below, your perspective could shape the future conversation. Together, we can ensure that as we unlock the potential of AI, we do so ethically, responsibly, and with a deep sense of purpose. Let's continue the conversation. Share your thoughts, ask questions, and let's work together to ensure that AI not just understands us, but serves us and reflects the best of humanity. Thank you for watching.